Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain whether you can connect eToro to MetaTrader 5 or MT5. The quick answer is you cannot connect eToro to MetaTrader 5. Here's why. eToro has built its own proprietary trading platform, which they can consider award-winning and designed to integrate with their social trading features. Because of this, MT4 and MT5 are not supported. They simply aren't compatible with eToro's system. So, what are your options? First, use eToro's platform. You can trade more than 3,000 assets, including stocks, crypto, forex, and ETFs directly on eToro. Second, choose another broker. If your main goal is to use MetaTrader 5, you'll need to open an account with a broker that specifically supports MT5. And that's it. Now you know why you can't connect eToro to MetaTrader 5 and what alternatives you have. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.